Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to take some questions on export marketing. These are mathematical questions which are asked for normally 5 marks in your exam. The first question is calculation of FOB price when the firm has no profit or no loss. That means here the profit amount is 0. To calculate FOB, the formula is FOB plus duty drawback is equal to FOB cost plus profit. Here in this formula, we are supposed to find the value of FOB. That means I have to write let the FOB be rupees X. So if FOB is X plus the duty drawback is given 5% of FOB price. That means it is 5% of X, that is FOB price is X, so 5% of X plus FOB cost. The cost of FOB will be given in the question. See, here are the expenses. Here are two expenses. We have to add them and we have to find the FOB cost. See this. This is X factory cost 32,000. This is expenses up to board the ship is 6,000. Therefore, the FOB cost becomes 38,000. This is, I have calculated the FOB cost here. These two expenses were given. I have added them and I have got the FOB cost. So the FOB cost is 38,000. Plus the profit is 0 because the first case, the first question says that find FOB price when there is no profit or no loss. That means the profit is 0. So I will write X plus 5% means 5 upon 100, or you can take calculator, you can write 5 divided by 100, you will get 0.05x is equal to 38,000. Therefore, 1 plus 0.05 is 1.05x is 38,000. Therefore, x is equal to 38,000 divided by 1.05. So you get this answer. It will be around 36,190 rupees. Therefore, your FOB price when there is no profit or loss is rupees 36,109. Is this clear? The second part of the question says we are supposed to find out the profit or loss at rupees 31,000 FOB price. So here the FOB price is given as 31,000 and we are supposed to find out the profit or loss. That is why same thing, the formula remains the same. The formula says FOB plus duty drawback DBK is equal to FOB cost plus profit. Now what is FOB price? FOB price is 31,000 plus what is DBK? DBK is 5% of FOB price. That means it is 5% means 5 upon 100 of 31,000 is equal to what is FOB cost? FOB cost is 38,000. As I have shown you in the first part, these two expenses are given. You have to add these expenses and get the FOB cost. Okay, 38,000 is the FOB cost. 38,000 plus what is the profit? Profit is not given to us. So profit is P, or we can assume profit as X or profit as P. So let the profit at rupees 31,000 FOB be P. We have to assume that. Okay. So these two zeros get cancelled. 31,000 plus 1550 is equal to 38,000 plus profit. So this will become 32,550 plus 38,000. It will go this side. It will become minus 38,000 is equal to profit. 32,550 minus 38,000. Use calculators. You will get 5450. but this value will be minus. So if it is minus, that means it is indicating a loss. Therefore, loss is equal to rupees 5450. So I can write, therefore, loss at FOB price of rupees 31,000 is rupees 5450. Is this clear? This is the second question of today's video. In this question, we are supposed to find out the FOB price. First, we are supposed to find out the FOB price. And second, we are supposed to find out the amount of foreign exchange that can be earned at rupees 60 per Australian dollar. Now here, the expenses are given. Ex-factory cost 75,000, packing cost 15,000, transport cost is rupees 10,000. So I can first find the FOB cost. So I will write first FOB cost. FOB cost. How to get the FOB cost? Add all the expenses, you will get the FOB cost. That is X factory cost plus packing cost plus transport cost. That is equal to 75,000 plus 15,000 plus 10,000. It will become 75 plus 15 is 9 lakh plus 10,000 is 1 lakh. So your FOB cost is rupees 1 lakh. Is this clear? My first step is clear. Then we are supposed to find out the FOB price. How to find out the FOB price? We have the basic formula, that is FOB price plus the some incentives, that is duty drawback, is equal to FOB cost plus profit. So this is the formula. There are 4 parts. So I will write first FOB price plus DBK, or we can also write plus incentives, is equal to FOB cost plus profit. So I'll use this information into the formula and I will get answer very easily, very fast. That is FOB price. We are supposed to find the FOB price. Yes, so I can write FOB price is X. Let FOB price be X. So FOB price is X plus what is DBK? DBK is given 10% on FOB price. So it is 10%, means 10 upon 100. FOB price is X is equal to, what is FOB cost? Just now I have calculated here. The FOB cost is the addition of all the expenses, that is 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus what is the profit? Profit is 10% on FOB cost. So it is 10% of FOB cost, that is 1 lakh. So I will write 1x plus 10 upon 100, you do on calculator, you will get 0.1x. Here it is 1 lakh plus 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. Is this clear? So you will add it, you will get 1.1x, you will get 1 lakh 10,000. So x is equal to 1 lakh 10,000 divided by 1.1. Your x is equal to, calculator, on the calculator you will get rupees 1 lakhs. Therefore, I got the FOB price as rupees 1 lakhs. Is this clear? My first answer is clear. We got the FOB price as 1 lakh. The second question what they are asking is amount of foreign exchange that can be earned at rupees 60 per Australian dollar. Therefore, I will write amount of foreign exchange that can be earned at the rate rupees 60 per Australian dollar. It will be 1 lakh rupees divided by, what is the rate? 60. So 1 lakh rupees is how many dollars? So I have got FOB price is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh rupees is how many dollars? So 1 lakh divided by 60, rate is 60 na? So 1 lakh divided by 60, you will get something around 1666.666666. That is approximately 1,667 Australian dollars. Is this clear? This is the third question of today's video. In this question also, we are supposed to find out the FOB price. But the question seems a bit different. Here, the number of units are given as 1000 and the expenses are per unit. That is, the first thing we have to calculate is the FOB cost. How will you calculate the FOB cost? It is very simple. You add all the expenses, you will get the FOB cost. I will write step number 1 is FOB cost. How to get the FOB cost? First expense is X factory cost. What is X factory cost? It is rupees 25 per unit. That means for 1 unit it is 25. So multiply by 1000, it will become 25,000. So I will write here 25 into 1000, that is equal to rupees 25,000. First. Second expense is the packing cost. What is the packing cost? It is rupees 2 per unit. That means 2 into 1000, that will become rupees 2000. Next is the transport expenses. Third is the transport expenses. Transport expenses is rupees 3 into 1000, it will become rupees 3000. So the total FOB cost is rupees 30,000. First step is clear. FOB cost is clear. Now to find out the FOB price, my first step will be let the FOB price be rupees X. So FOB price is X. So I will write the formula FOB price plus incentives is equal to FOB cost plus the profit. So what is FOB price? X. What is duty drawback given? Duty drawback is given 10% of FOB price. So it is 10% of X is equal to, what is FOB cost? FOB cost is 30,000 plus what is the profit? Profit is 10% of FOB cost, that is 30,000. So I will get 1x plus 0.1x, 30,000 plus 3,000. Is this clear? Add 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1x. It is 33,000. Therefore, x is equal to 33,000 divided by 1.1. Calculator pay, you will get rupees 30,000. Is this clear? So my FOB price I have got as 30,000. So FOB price is equal to rupees 30,000. After getting the FOB price, we are supposed to find out how much foreign exchange you are earning on this price. So what is the rate of foreign exchange given? We will check in the question and then we can write amount of foreign exchange earned will become rupees 30,000 divided by. So the foreign exchange rate given in the question is rupees 80. 1 American dollar is rupees 80. So on 30,000 rupees I can earn how many dollars? That is, I can earn, divide karo, I can earn 375 American dollars. Hope I have explained. This is the last question of today's video. Now the question is also the same as the previous one. In this question also we are supposed to find out the FOB price, that is the minimum FOB price. And once again that FOB price has to be converted into dollars, either American dollars or any currency, whatever is given. Here it is given $1 is equal to rupees 8. Now the first step always will remain the same. The first step will be calculation of the FOB cost. How to get the FOB cost? FOB cost. How to get the FOB cost? By adding all the expenses. Now I will add, first I will add X factory cost, that is rupees 30,000. I will add the packing cost, that is rupees 3,500. Then I will add the expenses up to loading, that is equal to rupees 1,500. So the total FOB cost will become 35,000. Is this clear? The FOB cost is 35,000. Now after getting the FOB cost, we are going to find out the FOB price. Once again, before using the formula, you have to write let the FOB price be rupees X. So FOB price is rupees X. What is the formula? FOB price plus incentives or DBK, FOB cost plus the profit. FOB price is X. The incentives, that is DBK, is 10% of FOB price. That means 10 upon 100 X is equal to, what is the FOB cost? FOB cost is 35,000 plus what is the profit is given, 21% of FOB cost. So 21% of FOB cost, that is 21% of FOB cost. This 21% of FOB cost you can get on calculator. That is 35,000 into 21%. So I will get 1x plus 0.1x, 35,000 plus 35,000 into 21% is 350 into 21 also will do. 350 into 21 on calculator. You calculate 350 into 21. 350 into 21. What is the answer? 350 into
7,305.
7,350. Okay. Now I will add these two. 1.1x. You add these numbers, you will get 42,350. So 1.1x is equal to 42,350. Therefore, x is equal to 42,350 divided by 1.1. On calculator, you will get 38,500. 38,500. Okay. So your FOB price is rupees 38,500. So I can calculate the amount to be quoted to an importer in dollars. So in dollars, your price will be 38,500 divided by $1 is 80 rupees. So 38,500 divided by 80, you will get $481.25. So I can write the amount to be quoted to an importer in dollars is equal to $481.25, approximately $481. Okay.